see the question number 6 here. So I will just read the question. A gas thermometer is constructed of two gas containing bulbs, each in a water bath. Both the bulbs were kept in different in a water bath individually, as shown in figure. The pressure difference between the two bulbs is measured by a mercury manometer as shown. Appropriate reservoirs not shown in the diagram maintain constant gas value bulbs. but just to understand only the diagram given, not the complete figure given. There is no difference in pressure when both baths are at the triple point of water. Of course, when both are at triple point temperature only, triple point of water. What is the value of triple point of water? That is nothing but 0.01 degrees Celsius or 273.16 Kelvin. Anything we can take. Okay, that is for triple point temperature, and it is given. When two different temperatures here, what will happen? There is a pressure difference. So the pressure difference is 120 torr, that is the unit of pressure, when one bath is at the triple point and the other is at the boiling point of water. The information given is the pressure difference is 120 when one is at triple point and other is at boiling point. And some more information. It is 90 torr when one bath is at the triple point and the other is at unknown temperature to be measured. So two different cases given. Now what is the unknown temperature they are asking? So see here, I will just write in the derivation here. Okay. Now in question number 6, generally to measure the temperature on left side, if I consider temperature on left side, if you take the reference as triple point of water, then triple point, the ratio, the temperature by temperature of triple point, that is always can be compared with the same ratio of pressures also. Pressure on left side by pressure at triple point of water. Okay. Now, at the same time, you can write the same equation for right one also. Temperature on right side by temperature of triple point. Temperature at triple point equal to pressure on right side bulb by pressure at triple point temperature. If these two relations are considered, I will just calculate from this equation what is TL. Okay, here we can write TL equal to and TL by what is the triple point temperature? It is actually 273.16. But for our convenience, I will just write here 273 only. Since there is no much difference, even you take 0.16 or not, that's why. And pressure on left side we don't know, by pressure of triple point, that also we don't know. From this equation you can write temperature on left side is nothing but 273 into pressure on left side by pressure at triple point. In the same way, here also you can write the equation, that is temperature on right side is nothing but 273 into pressure on right side by pressure at triple point. but they have given the pressure differences, so that you can consider here just the difference between the two equations. If I consider T L minus TR, the difference between those two. Of course, 273 by P triple point is common factor in both the equations. So remaining is PL minus PR. So this is the general equation we can write for the given question. From this, we can substitute the values on two conditions. Okay. So now I will substitute the values in two conditions. Okay. Now I will just erase these equations and I will go to the next equations. Once you please, all of you write down these equations. Now, for the first case, if I consider T left minus T right is equal to 273 minus, of course, by pressure at a triple point, the value we don't know. What is the value? What is the difference between pressures on left and right? That is given 120 torr in first case. Okay. So TL minus TR means left side it is given. Which one it is given? On one side it is given left or right, anything you can consider. On one side it is given triple point, and on another side it is given boiling point. So that you can write here the boiling point temperature, let me consider on left side, 373 minus triple point temperature, or it is equal to 273, equal to 273 into 120 by P triple point. So by calculating this, you will get the answer for P triple point, which is equal to 328 torr you will get. Now you can apply the same relation for the second case. In case of second equation, in the same equation we substitute the values. On one side there is unknown temperature, on other side there is triple point temperature, and that is equal to 273 by P triple point already we calculated, that is 328 into 90 given the pressure difference in second case. So just by calculating this, you will get the answer 348 Kelvin. Finally, the unknown temperature is equal to 348 Kelvin. All of you please note it down. Next, question number 7. In 1964, the temperature in the Siberian village of Oymyakon reached minus 71 degrees Celsius. Of course, the recorded temperature is, the record temperature is minus 71 degrees Celsius in some village given. What temperature is this on the Fahrenheit scale? So very much simple question. They're asking us to convert the temperature minus 71 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So just very simple question. Even then I will just write quickly the answer here. The relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is nothing but C by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180. And C is given here minus 71 by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180. 25 are 29. Now it will be, by calculating this, you will get F minus 32 is equal to 127 point minus, of course, minus 127.8, and F is nothing but minus 95.8 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer for the first question. Question number A in 7th one. Okay. Now I will go to the question number B. So question number B is, the highest officially recorded temperature in the continental United States was 134 degree Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California. What is the temperature on the Celsius scale? The same, similar, simple question. They have given in Fahrenheit the number and you have to convert it into Celsius. Then again the same thing, C by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180. And this is nothing but C is given, I think C not given. C by 100 equal to F is given, 134 minus 32 by 180. So this will be, I think, 102 by 180. By calculating this, you will get the value for C, that is 56.6 degree Celsius. That is the answer for 7th B question. And next one. Question number 8. At what temperature is the Fahrenheit scale reading equal to? Again, two questions are there. The first question is twice that of the Celsius scale. Fahrenheit reading is twice to the Celsius, means F can be written as 2C. In that case, they're asking the value of F or C. Of course, we can substitute in the equation. C by, every time I don't write 100 and 180. After cancelling them, it will be C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. And in place of F, if you substitute 2C. So C by 5 equal to 2C minus 32 by 9. So by taking cross multiplication, 9C equal to 10C minus 160. So that will be 160 equal to C. And C will be 160. And if you want to calculate F value, that will be 320 degree Fahrenheit. In this case, it will be 160 degrees Celsius in centigrade. So that is the answer for the first question. First question of 8. And next. Second question. Half that of the Celsius scale. That means here F is given. Half of Celsius means C by 2. The same relation you can write. C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. And this is nothing but C by 5 means C is given 2F. 2F by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. By taking cross multiplication, 18F equal to 5F minus 160. So it will be 13F equal to minus 160. Then F will be minus 160 by 13, which is equal to minus 12.3 degree Fahrenheit. So F value is minus 12.3 degree Fahrenheit. And if you want to calculate in terms of C, C value will be double of that. That is nothing but 24.6 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the answer for 8th question. And till 9th question is just same as the first question. The same question was repeated. It is the first question only. And come to the last question, 10th one. So suppose that on a linear temperature scale X, water boils at minus 53.5 degree X and freezes at minus 170 degree X. What is the temperature of 340 Kelvin on the X scale? They're asking us the relation between Kelvin scale and another new type of scale. Okay, for Kelvin scale, what we can write? The constant value for every scale, that is the scale value minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Those values were substituted for Kelvin scale, and this is equal to some other scale. Let me consider the scale is X only. X minus the lower temperature is given previous at minus 170. So lower temperature is minus 170 by upper fixed point is minus 53.5 minus 170. So K is given 340. For 340, they're asking the equivalent value. So this will be 100. That is equal to X plus 170 by. So this value will be